The government is betting more than 84,000 crore on Samudra Manthan, India's biggest offshore exploration push yet, aimed at unlocking deep water oil and gas reserves. The Union Cabinet approved the National Offshore Exploration Scheme named Samudra Manthan for implementation up to March 2031. The mission aims to expand exploration across India's deep water and ultra deep water regions, areas that could hold significant untapped oil and gas resources. But there is a major hurdle. Offshore exploration is expensive, technically complex, and highly risky. A single deep water exploratory well can cost around $125 to $150 million. And even after that massive investment, there is no guarantee of finding commercial viable reserves. This is the risk the government is ready to take. Project Samudra Manthan will provide financial support of up to 50% of eligible drilling costs to encourage companies to take on high-risk deep-water exploration. Government is putting in money behind exploration to make India's difficult offshore basins project more attractive for investors.
तो पहला कंपोनेंट है ऑफशोर सीस्मिक डेटा एक्विजिशन 28,000 करोड़ रुपीस का ये प्रोग्राम है। दूसरा कंपोनेंट है एक्सेलरेटेड ऑफशोर एक्सप्लोरेशन स्कीम, ये 43,200 करोड़ रुपीस का प्रोग्राम। दोनों में जैसा आपको समझाया, एक तरीके से एक बहुत ही कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव तरीके से भारत का जो पोटेंशियल है देश का, उस पोटेंशियल को इसमें यूटिलाइज करने का पूरा प्लानिंग है। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर लेड प्रोडक्शन, जहां पर ऑलरेडी वेल डिस्कवर किए जा चुके हैं, लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ द लैक ऑफ इंफ्रा प्रोडक्शन में कोई दिक्कत आ रही होती है, तो ऐसे केस में जैसे महानदी बेसिन है, कच्छ बेसिन है, यहाँ पर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलप करके और वहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन को कैसे बढ़ाया जाए। और जो चौथा है ऑयल एंड गैस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड सर्विसेज जोन्स। एक बार रॉ क्रूड ऑयल आता है, उसके बाद में उसको प्रोसेसिंग के लिए, या गैस आती है उसको आगे प्रोसेसिंग करके किस तरह से आगे उसको मैन्युफैक्चर्ड प्रोडक्ट में डेवलप कन्वर्ट करें, वो यहाँ पर लिया गया है। भारत में जितनी ऑयल और गैस की डिमांड बढ़ रही है, उसके हिसाब से ये स्कीम और ये प्रोग्राम बहुत बड़ा एक गेम चेंजर होगा और नया माइलस्टोन होगा। भारत की बहुत सारा फॉरेन एक्सचेंज इससे बचेगा।
India is the world's third largest crude oil consumer, but imports around 85% of its crude requirement and an annual oil import bill of nearly $144 billion. At the same time, existing oil and gas fields see production decline by around 6 to 7% every year, while energy demand continues to rise. So for India, expanding domestic production is therefore not just about finding more oil. It is about reducing import dependence and strengthening energy security. And that is where Samudra Manthan comes in. India's untapped hydrocarbon potential increasingly lies in frontier areas such as the Krishna Godavari, Kaveri, Mahanadi, and Andaman regions. But deep water exploration is highly uncertain. It can also take 5 to 10 years from exploration to commercial production. Samudra Manthan aims to make India's offshore basins more attractive to investors. India has long relied on diversifying its crude imports to secure energy supplies. But Samudra Manthan takes a different approach, increasing domestic production itself. Subject to exploration success, the government aims to raise domestic oil and gas production from 62 to 80 million tons of oil equivalent annually and expand the hydrocarbon resource base from 1.6 to 2.2 billion tons. The government estimates this could eventually reduce the crude import bill by nearly 1 lakh crore a year. The government itself says that the production targets are subject to exploration success. And even when a discovery is made, commercial production can take years. It is better understood as a long term risk sharing strategy. The stakes therefore extend beyond India. Not just the nation, but its neighboring countries are likely to be closely watching Samudra Manthan, as it could also add another strategic dimension to India's rise.